Hi everybody, this is Anthony Fasano, founder of Powerful Purpose Associates and author of Engineer Your Own Success. I want to welcome you to the website for my book, Engineer Your Own Success, 7 Key Elements to Creating an Extraordinary Engineering Career. In this video, I'd like to tell you about this book and also about the engineering career development communities that we are creating around the world. This is not just a book or a website, it's a revolution to raise the awareness around career development for engineers around the globe. We have developed an Engineer Your Own Success Facebook fan page as well as a LinkedIn group where you can go to ask questions of myself or other engineers about your career advancement efforts or answer questions for engineers that may ask questions of you. Why did I write this book and develop these communities for engineers? I spent a large portion of my career as a design engineer and I was able to advance extremely rapidly. However, in doing so, I realized that there were many career advancement challenges that we as engineers face, such as lack of a good manager or mentor to guide you in your career, the inability to network and build relationships, whether you're just uncomfortable networking, you lack confidence, or English as a second language holds you back. Your communication skills may not be where you need them to be in order to successfully reach your goals. You struggle as a manager, especially with delegating tasks, because you're so used to solving all of the problems on your own. It's very difficult to let go. You lack organizational skills, which leads to extra hours worked and unnecessary stress and pressure put on yourself. A few years ago, I decided that in order to help engineers overcome these challenges, I was going to transition my career from designing to inspiring engineers. I realized that many of these challenges stem from the lack of development of our soft skills or people skills, which were not taught in engineering school, such as how to set goals, how to communicate effectively with clients and coworkers, how to network and build relationships, also how to develop our leadership abilities. I started helping engineers improve their soft skills in several different ways. First, I became an executive coach and started coaching engineers one-on-one. Secondly, I started writing something and still do today called a daily boost from your professional partner. It's a brief, inspirational career tip that I email out to engineers around the world Mondays through Fridays to help them stay focused in their career advancement efforts. I also speak to engineers all over the world on these different career advancement strategies, specifically developing your soft skills. Why do I do all these things? I do these things to help engineers create careers that are successful, exciting, enjoyable, and most importantly, well-balanced. Engineers have been asking me for years if I could take all this information and put it into one easy-to-access location so that they can use it to advance their careers whenever they need it. My coaching is not always accessible or affordable, and I can only speak to so many engineers at one time. And that is how Engineer Your Own Success came about. Right here is all that information in one place, from how to set clear career goals, how to find a mentor and get the most out of the mentoring relationship, strategies for effectively communicating and building relationships, tips on staying productive and organizing, and help with developing your leadership abilities. All that information is right here in this book. In fact, I consider this more than a book. It's really a guide to get you from where you are in your engineering career to where you want to be. By purchasing this book, not only are you getting all this information, but you are also helping a very worthwhile cause. A portion of each book purchase will be donated to Engineers Without Borders, a non-for-profit humanitarian organization established to support community-driven development programs worldwide through partnerships that design and implement sustainable engineering projects. I have found through my experience as an engineer and my experience coaching engineers that many of us lack the non-technical skills needed to succeed. However, I've also discovered that these skills can be learned. In this book, I will provide you with information that you can use to improve your non-technical skills and take your engineering career to new heights. I know these strategies work because I've been helping engineers use them for years through my coaching, through my speaking, and through the daily boosts. And you are going to get all this information in one location with the simple click of a button today. To purchase this book, simply click where indicated on the right side of this website so you can start to build your engineering career today. Once again, this is Anthony Fasano, your professional partner, and I hope that this book, along with the engineering career development communities that I've created, can help you build an extraordinary engineering career.